What's up, YouTube? This is JB, back with another Mustang video. I know it's been a minute since I dropped one because the car just been in the shop, but here's a new video, and this video is about to be about these tires here. So let's get started. Alright, so if anybody has ordered some tire, or not even just tires, any parts for your car, you know that most of the time it's some type of back order or something right now. So these tires right here, right? And we're missing one, and I'll explain that in a second. But these tires I ordered back in September, and I just now got them the first week of April. So that's 7 months I've been waiting for tires, right? So if you don't already know that you can tell when a tire was made by a date that's on the tire, and you look it up and it tells you when it was made, right? So this one right here, this code right there says that this tire was made the 47th week of 2021. And those are for my front tires. So that's cool. If you want to know, they're Nittos NTO5s. The front tires are 255 35 18s. So now for the rear tires came, and this is the date on one of them. The 51st week of 2021, right? So I have just one tire here because the other tire they sent me had a date of the 4th week of 2020. So that means basically I waited 7 months for an old tire that was made in 2020. And I wasn't cool with that. Yes, it may not be anything wrong with the tire or whatnot, but just the fact that I waited 7 months was the problem. So, called Jegs. What they told me to do was send back the old tire. They'll contact the distributor and try to have them find a tire to kind of match that date or something, you know, basically newer. The lady said that the guy said he found one, but basically they weren't going to send it until they sent out a new order number, and he'll pull that order and then basically send it. So I shipped out my old tire on Thursday. But the lady was saying that they still wouldn't do anything until they received it and it's been processed in their system, then they'll do the exchange. Or she gave me the option to go ahead and pay for the new tire. Then she go ahead and send them the order number so they could get started on it. And then when they get the other tire, they'll go ahead and do the refund. I mean, I hated to do it, but I went ahead and did it that way because I've been tired of waiting, right? So this video is basically really to time and see how long it really takes me to get that other tire. I don't want to wait like another 7 months or something. I'm hoping that by the end of next week or beginning of the week after next that they're here. So we'll see. So when they do come, I'll make another video either saying that I got them, or it'll be the video of me getting them mounted on the actual tires. So yeah, that's what I've been waiting on. And then once I do finally get that stuff back, the car will be done probably next week or the end of this week coming up. Then I'll have a video of me picking back up the car, show you what they did. And yeah, and that. So once I get that stuff, I'll post that up. But if this is your first time on the channel, go ahead and like this video, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you know when I post up new videos, right? Also, comment below with any stories that you have with some parts that you ordered, how long you waited, if whatever company you ordered from, they were helpful or not. Leave a comment below and tell me. But until next time, all right, peace.